This video is about the Centaurus of Islamabad. Please subscribe our channel and share it on your social media. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan and is administered by the Pakistani federal government as part of the Islamabad Capital Territory. It is the 9th largest city in Pakistan, while the larger Islamabad Rawalpindi metropolitan area is the country's 3rd largest with a population of about 4.1 million people. Built as a planned city in the 1960s to replace Karachi as Pakistan's capital, Islamabad is noted for its high standards of living, safety, and abundant greenery. The master plan for the city was designed by Greek architect Constantinos Apostolou Doxiadis and divides the city into 8 zones, including administrative, diplomatic enclave, residential areas, educational and industrial sectors, commercial areas, as well as rural and green areas which are administered by the Islamabad Metropolitan Corporation with support from the Capital Development Authority. Islamabad is known for the presence of several parks and forests, including the Margalla Hills National Park and the Shakarparian. It is home to several landmarks, with the most notable one being the Faisal Mosque, the largest mosque in South Asia 14, and the 5th largest in the world. Other landmarks include the Pakistan National Monument and the Democracy Square. Islamabad is a Gamma Plus city as rated by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. 18. It has the highest cost of living in Pakistan, and its populace is dominated by middle and upper middle class citizens. The city is home to 20 universities, including Baria University, Quaid-e-Azam University, Piaz, Comsats University and NUST. The city is rated as one of the safest in Pakistan, and has an expansive RFID-enabled surveillance system with almost 2,000 active CCTV cameras.
Islamabad is known for the presence of several parks and forests, including the Margalla Hills National Park and the Shakarparian. It is home to several landmarks, with the most notable one being the Faisal Mosque, the largest mosque in South Asia and the 5th largest in the world. The Centaurus is a mixed-use real estate development in the city of Islamabad, Pakistan. The project includes a 36-floor hotel, 3 23-floor residential and office towers and a 5-story shopping mall. Designed by British architectural firm W.S. Atkins, it consists of 3 skyscrapers, containing corporate offices, residential apartments, and a hotel. Centaurus Movenpick Hotel is under construction and was expected to open in the first quarter of 2018. The estimated cost for building the complex was $100 million. The Centaurus Mall is 4 stories tall and comprises more than 300 shops. The Centaurus Mall also includes entertainment in the form of a play area for children, known as Fun City, and a movie cinema, known as the Centaurus Cinema, which shows some of the latest Lollywood and Hollywood movies. Both the play area and the cinema are located on the 4th floor of the mall. Located on the 4th floor, the Centaurus has a food court with international fast food chains. International coffee shops are also located throughout the mall. In what it called a move to avoid overcrowding, Centaurus Mall in a public notice said visitors will have to buy a coupon to enter the mall, which is adjustable against shopping at the mall on the same day. The public notice listed 23 types of people who will not have to purchase the entry coupons. Those exempted include all women and children under 12, senior citizens, lawmakers and executives, diplomats and foreigners, journalists, and lawyers, members of country clubs, registered engineers, doctors, and teachers. Further, the notice said, famous players of hockey, cricket, football and golf, and celebrities, do not have to purchase the entry coupon.
Architects.com wrote that the Centaurus is a mixed-use development comprising apartments, offices, hotel and retail articulated in 4 independent buildings. The Margalla Hills provide the distant backdrop to the project. They are reflected in a wavy roof, which connects up the different components, threading through the project, extending from the mall over an external plaza, to become the roof of the tallest 5-star deluxe hotel in Pakistan. 4 stories of basement car parking sit below a 5-story shopping mall, which is destined to be the biggest modern retail area in the country. The mall forms the podium for 2 luxury apartment towers and an office tower. These are under construction as part of Phase 1. The mall roof will run up the western side of the hotel, narrowing to a point at 246.5 meters high. The hotel tower will be constructed in the second phase and will include 350 luxury guest suites enjoying stunning views off Islamabad and the Himalayan peaks. The Centaurus incorporates various elements aimed at enhancing resource efficiency, including rainwater harvesting, good lighting control, and high-specification glazing.
There is also a project named under Movenpick Hotels and Resorts is attached with Centaurus. According to the report published in the news, Movenpick Hotels and Resorts is expanding its presence in Pakistan after inking a landmark deal with Pak Gulf Construction Company (PVT) Limited to build a new upscale property in the federal capital. The agreement to operate Movenpick Hotel Centaurus Islamabad, the Swiss hospitality company's first property in Pakistan capital, was facilitated by Middle East consultancy firm Equinox Hospitality Group, which played a key role in developing this owner-operator partnership. The 361-key Movenpick Hotel, Centaurus Islamabad will be the focal point of a new upscale mixed-use development located in the heart of the city's bustling business district and is set to open in the first quarter of 2018. Speaking at the agreement signing ceremony, Andreas Mattmuller, Chief Operating Officer (CEO), Movenpick Hotels and Resorts Middle East and Asia, said business opportunities in Pakistan were tremendous given its advantageous geographical location at crossroads of several economic powerhouses including South and Central Asia and the Middle East. The Movenpick Hotel Centaurus Islamabad, part of the high-profile Centaurus development located in the commercial and business hub of Islamabad, taps into the growth and development of the country's thriving capital city, he said. It also firmly cements our presence in Pakistan, where our goal is to expand our footprint. Movenpick Hotels and Resorts already operates the 407-room Movenpick Hotel Karachi and is actively seeking opportunities in Lahore. Sardar Muhammad Ilyas Khan, chairman of Pak Gulf Construction Company, said, "We are excited to partner with Movenpick Hotels and Resorts to develop this flagship hotel. The project will set new hospitality standards in Islamabad." The Movenpick Hotel Centaurus Islamabad will comprise 5 restaurants, expansive meeting and event facilities including a multipurpose ballroom, several meeting rooms and a business center plus separate male and female wellness facilities and a swimming pool. It will be the first and only hotel in the new upmarket Centaurus development, adjoined to Pakistan's largest and most successful shopping center, the Centaurus Mall, an eye-catching design-led landmark occupying a prime position on one of Islamabad's main thoroughfares, Jinnah Avenue, where major local, regional and multinational entities, from banks to oil and gas companies, are headquartered.
Owing to its prime location, we expect the property to attract a diverse range of guests, from long-term and leisure visitors to those traveling for corporate or government business, said Matt Muller. According to one report of Tribune, Islamabad's biggest shopping mall, Centaurus Mall, has come under fire after it announced on Thursday that some visitors will be required to purchase entry coupons. In what it called a move to avoid overcrowding, Centaurus Mall in a public notice said visitors will have to buy a 100 rupees coupon to enter the mall. However, some people are exempt from the scheme, which goes into effect on July 3. The public notice listed 23 types of people who will not have to purchase the entry coupons. Those exempted include all women and children under 12, senior citizens, lawmakers and executives, diplomats and foreigners, journalists and lawyers, members of country clubs, doctors and teachers. Further, the notice said, famous players of hockey, cricket, football and golf, and celebrities do not have to purchase the entry coupon. The exemptions sparked debate on social media, with some questioning who will determine who's famous and others alleging class discrimination. Some pretty gross and messed up elitism by the Centaurus Mall in Islamabad here. Too many poors visiting, I guess, said one commenter on Twitter. While others claimed the action was taken to keep out Pindi boys. However, the mall management defended the move as a measure to facilitate customers. To ensure that shopping at Centaurus does not become inconvenient to them, we have decided to introduce an entry coupon of 100 rupees per person, the public notice read.